Hello guys, today I've got OneOdio FOCUS A5 headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily manage the audio balance in your Android phone. At first, open your phone settings. Here, wait a moment, I need to turn my phone vertically. Open connected devices at first and make sure that you've got your headphones connected. If you do, go back and scroll down till you see accessibility. Here, scroll all the way down till you see audio. The placement of this option is actually quite different on each system version and, the OS, but you should find it. Here we've got audio balance, and we can move it this dot like this. We can manage audio balance right here. That's it. Bye.